Custom closets are transformative spaces. Through careful planning and fine craftsmanship, Caruso Kitchen Designs brings your storage vision to life. Here are 7 guidelines to follow when designing custom closets. 1. Define your storage needs. Evaluating what you need to store ensures your custom closet supports your items, lifestyle, and desired functionality. 2. Prioritize accessibility. Tailored features like pull-out drawers and adjustable shelving keep your custom closet organized, functional, and easy to navigate. 3. Optimize storage space. Maximized square footage with expert cabinetry ensures every inch of your custom closet serves a purpose while avoiding clutter. 4. Incorporate quality materials. Durable, high-quality materials create lasting cabinetry that merges functionality with a polished, cohesive look for your custom closet. 5. Keep style and aesthetics in mind. Thoughtful design choices ensure your custom closet's cabinetry enhances your home's overall elegance and complements existing styles seamlessly. 6. Don't forget lighting. Strategic lighting solutions improve closet functionality and elevate the visual appeal of your cabinetry and overall design. 7. Trust experienced professionals. With our proven expertise and commitment, Caruso Kitchen Designs offers cabinetry services that deliver personalized, professional closet solutions tailored to your needs. Experience the Caruso difference. When designing a custom closet, the possibilities are endless. At Caruso Kitchen Designs, our desire is to create beautiful, livable spaces that fit your unique life and style. We invite you to schedule a free design consultation or visit our showrooms in Lakewood or Louisville, where you can explore a world of design possibilities. We proudly serve the entire Denver metro area and beyond.